Hello everybody, this is Marie from Marie Reading Arts. I'm just briefly talking about my Ammonite wet felting tool. It's one of my own design. I make them in solid hardwood. They are speciality woods, so this, for example, has got a sapele base and a beech handle. So I use various different woods. All the woods I buy are from environmentally sustainable sources, so FSC certified, which is very important. This is for making wet felt in the flat non-rolling up method, which is my easy way of making felt. It's fast, it's easy, and it's low effort. I recommend using this alongside my other tools, including my felting rolling pin. I love fossils, so that's why it's called an Ammonite. As I say, it's solid wood, it's not plywood. It has an Ammonite design underneath on the base. These are made to last a lifetime. Okay, they're really solid. They're carved out, they're made to last. You don't need to do anything to these. After you have used them, obviously they will be wet. Just rinse them under the tap to rinse any soap residue off. Then pat them dry in a towel and leave them not near a radiator, just leave them to dry naturally, and that'll be fine. Every now and then, if you wish, you can put a bit of beeswax on it to feed the wood, which is what I do. But they're great. I have beeswaxed the top of this. I've beeswaxed the handle on the top, so you get the beautiful colour and shine. I've just done this a few minutes ago. I have not beeswaxed the base underneath because it's not necessary, because that's the surface you're going to be felting with. You don't want any kind of anything on there. I used to fill my handles with resin, but because of popular demand from my customers and environmental concerns, I do not do that anymore. A lot of people have been making tools and a lot of items out of resin nowadays. It's very popular. But resin is quite bad for the environment and it's quite bad for one's health. So, and obviously resin is plastic, so once it's out in the world, it's out in the world. So after checking with many of my customers, I am not putting resin in these handles any longer. You've still got a little three-dimensional beautiful carved ammonite. Some people leave them natural like this, waxed. Some people paint the little ammonite like a fossil slate colour. You can do that very easily with acrylic or watercolour paint. They do look beautiful painted. A lot of people leave them plain, but I won't be using resin unless I have to at the moment, because I just think this is great. It's made of wood, it's solid wood, it's going to last. It's meant to last a lifetime of care and use and be a useful but beautiful tool for you, for your felting, and a beautiful thing to have around when you're not using it. However, I want it to be able to break down, so I don't want it to be here on the planet in 1,000 years or however long. So once once its lifespan is gone or it's no longer required, it's made of wood. So of course it's ultimately biodegradable, and that's something I really believe in. So I hope you can all get behind that. You can see this beautiful carved three-dimensional ammonite here. Beautiful. And you can see it better. So go, if you want to buy it, it's on my Facebook or my page on the links. Have a look. Using this, you just hold it by this ergonomic, very comfortable handle, and you just massage it in circles on your surface when you're wet felting. It takes no effort. You don't need to press hard. That's what the design is for. It's designed to be used in conjunction with my other tools such as a felt rolling pen, and it's very quick and easy to use. Thank you for watching.